Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in today's video we're going to talk about how can you promote or playlist your music in Boomplay. So I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually achieve it. Okay, let's get into the video. So if you want to promote your music and you haven't verified yourself on Boomplay, the first step is you have to verify your profile on Boomplay by claiming your artist page. For you to do this, what you will do is you are going to scroll down, go to your profile and scroll down, click on Boomplay for artists. Once the page have loaded, what you will do now, you are going to click on claim now. This orange icon here, click on claim now. Now you're going to find the artist name that is available on Boomplay. Once you tap your artist name, you go below and you click on the contact information. You fill in your contact information. Make sure you submit a screenshot of your social media account. Once you have done that, you can actually submit it. Now let's move to the next step. To the search icon bar right here, search for your artist profile. Once you search for your artist profile, it's going to show your song. Once you click on your song, it is going to show the profile that your song is in. Then you are going to click on share. Once you click on share, you will click on the second template. So this is the template right here. You will have this template. Once this template is ready, then you can actually save it into your phone gallery. Then you can head over to Instagram to actually post that Boomplay customized asset. So this is an example of some Boomplay customized asset that have been posted by different artists. So in this case, you'll be able to post a Boomplay customized asset such as the one you have generated. Then you are going to write stream and download, and you will now include the name of your song. Once you include the name of your song, then you will put the hashtag Boomplay for artists, and you will tag Boomplay for artists and Boomplay Nigeria. So once you have that done, then you will go to this form right here. I'm going to attach the link in the description of the form that you're going to fill. Once you have done that, you will go to the form. You put in your email. After you have put in your email, put in your artist name. Then you write a brief introduction of yourself. Then you include the name of the country that you are in. Then your Boom ID. Your Boom ID is the ID that Boomplay actually gave you. So if you want to check out your Boom ID, you go to your Boomplay profile. So your Boom ID is the ID below your name in Boomplay. So that is the Boom ID. Once you have copied your Boom ID, then you can head over to the form and paste your Boom ID. Then you now put in the name of the album that you are trying to playlist. Then the genre of the album, is it Afro pop or Afrobeat? Then the UPC is the most important part. The UPC is given to you from your distributor. So you go to your distributor to actually find the UPC of your music. So when you go to your distributor, you go to your live song, you click on your live song. It's going to show all the information of your music, and hereby you find your UPC. Copy your UPC and paste it here. Then you track the track description. You are going to describe your track. Boomplay link of the release. You are going to copy the link of that release you have on Boomplay. You now paste it here. Then the next thing is that you now do Boomplay shoutout post link. So this one, you go to the post that you have actually made on Instagram about the Boomplay customized asset that you have done. In this case, you can actually do another one. Let's say you copy the link. Once you have copied the link, you go back there. Then you paste the link inside of the form. So once you have done that, you can actually submit the form. Then Boomplay will actually review your music. They are going to review it, and if they see that it have the potential to actually get into their playlisting, then they are going to email you later by the end of the day. You will get an email from Boomplay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you find this video very helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have a target of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. So make sure to subscribe and support us eventually. Share the link of this page so that to get to more people, so that they can actually subscribe to us. We actually need to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of 2022. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.